Today I'm here with this piece by Sam Gilliam, created in 1993 at Brandywine, and just wanted to talk a little bit about the significance of Sam Gilliam and Brandywine Workshop and Archives. So in 1975, Sam Gilliam was one of the first visiting artists to participate in Brandywine's Visiting Artist Residency program. And it was funny, it stated that at the development of Brandywine, that it was a purely volunteer-based programming that artists and art teachers dedicated their time and energy into. By 1975, Brandywine had been around for 3 years, and a witness had stated that Sam Gilliam got to the studio and asked why they didn't have a professional drying rack. So that's just kind of like a funny little antidote to he was there at the beginning, and how Brandywine has then since evolved into this globally recognized fine art printmaking program. So this is a offset lithography and screen print. Both represent the two kind of main forms of printmaking that you do at Brandywine. And I just think this is a beautiful, beautiful piece by Sam Gilliam that kind of inhibits the kind of history of Brandywine and the evolution of it. So this is Pretty Boxes, created in 1993 by Sam Gilliam, and we'll have this available at our Atlanta Fine Art Print Fair in Houston, Texas.